Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best gender reveal is probably one of the most exciting and anticipated moments for expectant parents, offering a unique way to share the joyous news of their baby's gender with family and friends, transforming a simple announcement into a memorable celebration filled with anticipation and delight. Number 5. PrimePure Gender Reveal Confetti Cannon, Pink, 4-pack. Get ready for an exciting surprise. Announce your baby's gender with a burst of pink smoke and heart-shaped confetti. It's a joyous declaration that proudly proclaims, it's a girl. Our kit comes in discreet packaging, ensuring the surprise remains a secret. Inside, you'll find everything needed for a picture-perfect announcement, bringing your gender reveal ideas to life. These cannons are designed to create stunning visuals. The vibrant pink confetti and smoke powder make for excellent photo opportunities, perfectly complementing your party decorations. We make hosting simple. Our complimentary guides ensure your event runs smoothly. Enjoy a stress-free and memorable gender reveal celebration with our party essentials. Using them is a breeze, just twist the bottom to release the contents. They are safe for both indoor and outdoor use, making them perfect party favors. What we like? Announce the big news with a bang. This option provides a vibrant explosion of color and confetti, perfect for creating a dramatic and memorable reveal moment. If you're looking for a photo-perfect surprise that's easy to set up and safe for indoor or outdoor use, this is the choice for you. What people say? Beautiful vibrant color and smoke. They were filled nicely and produced a nice amount. They were easy to open. The smoke really makes it different, almost like a 2-in-1 package. The burst of confetti was beautiful, and it really added an extra layer of excitement and celebration to the event. Everything worked flawlessly, and the vibrant colors made for an unforgettable reveal. They shot color really high. Worked as advertised. The color was vibrant. It did coat the grass but blue washed away easily. Overall very fun. Number 4. Jumbo Gender Reveal Balloon Kit. Make your gender reveal party unforgettable with our jumbo balloons. They're designed to create a spectacular moment for everyone. These 36-inch black balloons are the centerpiece of your celebration. They come filled with blue and pink confetti for a dramatic surprise. Crafted from high-quality latex, our balloons are safe and odor-free. Assembly is a breeze, just fill and inflate. Simply add the confetti, inflate with air or helium, and get ready for the big pop. It's an easy way to share your exciting news. Add a unique touch to your baby shower with this stunning decoration. It's designed to make the reveal moment truly special. Our set includes everything you need for a fun and safe reveal: balloons, confetti, ribbon, and a needle. Get ready for a fantastic party. What we like? Make a grand statement with these oversized balloons. They are designed to be the centerpiece of your reveal, offering a classic and impactful way to share the news. If you want a visually stunning reveal that's simple to assemble and creates a beautiful focal point for photos, consider this option. What people say? All the products it comes with make the job of filling it pretty easy. Worked perfectly for our small gender reveal. Was easy to assemble, but recommend having something to help air it up as the bottom is very wide. This was a super cute, affordable, and easy way to do an at-home gender reveal. I didn't realize this actually came with 2 balloons when I ordered it. My husband filled one for me and one for our son. He blew them up himself, no helium, so I just held it by the bottom. Fun to pop. Number 3. Oojami Gender Reveal Party Supplies for 30. Celebrate your special day with a complete party set designed for 30 guests. It includes everything you need for a memorable gender reveal celebration with family and friends. Embrace the joy with our charming pink and blue theme, featuring playful, boy or girl, designs. Create a joyful and photogenic atmosphere for your special day. Enjoy your celebration without worry. Our durable plates and extra thick cups are designed to prevent bending or leaking, ensuring dependable performance throughout the event. Keep everyone refreshed with perfectly sized cups for adult beverages. The coordinated design ensures all items match for a stylish and practical party. Make post-party cleanup a breeze with our disposable tableware. The set also includes matching table covers and a cake topper to complete your decorations. What we like? Host a perfectly coordinated party with ease. This set provides all the essential tableware for up to 30 guests, featuring a charming and cohesive design. If you're planning a gender reveal party and want to ensure your decorations are stylish, practical, and make cleanup a breeze, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Great tablecloths and napkins and paper plates were above average quality. Looked nice and was sturdy. The quality was the same as if you got it from Party City. Number 2. Juvale boy or girl voting board. Get ready for the big reveal. This interactive game is perfect for your baby shower, letting everyone join in the fun of guessing if it's a boy or a girl. With 72 pink heart stickers and 72 blue heart stickers, there are plenty for all your guests to cast their vote. Everyone gets a chance to participate. Setting up is a breeze. Its classic chalkboard style and easel back make it easy to place on any table. Guests can simply stick their guess. Measuring 12 by 17 inches, this board fits beautifully on your tables without taking up too much space. The stickers are also perfectly sized for easy application. This all-in-one set includes the chalkboard vote board and all the stickers you need. It's designed to make your baby gender reveal or shower event even more memorable. What we like. Get your guests involved and build anticipation. This interactive board turns the gender guess into a fun party game, encouraging everyone to participate. If you're looking for a classic and engaging activity that adds an element of friendly competition to your baby shower, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The design was beautiful and easy to set up, and it looked great as part of our decorations. It also made for really cute pictures. It was so cute and it was actually pretty sturdy. There was room for people to write their name under their guess too. The board is a hard board with good stability. Easy to use and understand the function on how to place it. Number 1. BALONAR DIY Gender Reveal Balloon Garland Kit. Transform your celebration space with this easy-to-assemble balloon garland kit. It's the perfect way to add a touch of magic to any party or special occasion. This comprehensive package allows you to create a beautiful balloon garland without needing professional help. You can easily inflate the balloons yourself to get started. Simply inflate the balloons and attach them to the included chain. You have the flexibility to control the size of each balloon for a truly customized look. Feel free to get creative. You can cut the balloon chain to achieve your desired length and shape, perfectly matching your party's theme. Crafted with high-quality latex and vibrant chrome colors, these balloons provide a fantastic decoration. They are made from harmless, eco-friendly materials for your peace of mind. For the best appearance, inflate balloons to about 85% capacity. While suitable for air or helium, be mindful of strong sunlight which can affect them. What we like. Create a stunning, custom party backdrop. This kit allows you to design your own impressive balloon garland, adding a festive and personalized touch to your celebration. If you enjoy a hands-on approach to decorating and want a visually striking, budget-friendly way to elevate your gender reveal party's ambience, this is perfect for you. What people say. It comes with a ton of balloons to make the arch as full as you would like. It is very easy to figure out if you have never done one before. The balloons were good and did what they were supposed to do. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.